1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
1, 2, 3.
Circle the number 7. Very good, I5. Next count, Nana.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Circle the number 9. Hold properly. Okay. Next count. How many dots are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So, okay. Where is the number 6? Here. Circle. Very good. Next count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. Next. Super.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, circle the number 10. Very good job,
Very
Krishna.
good.
Extraordinary.